Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So in today's video, I have another human hair headband wig. Today's video is brought to you by Asteria Hair. If this is your first time stumbling across my channel, thank you for being here. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. So I have reviewed several human hair headband wigs and I have synthetic ones as well. So I have a price point for everybody on my channel. I like to say that in all my videos just because maybe this is your only video you've seen, and I would suggest you get acquainted with the headband wig playlist because everything is on there, so nobody should be like disappointed or complaining because there's everything on there. So this is the coily hair headband wig and I have it in 22 inches and 180% density. So this is what the wig looks like here, and this is probably the longest. Is this the longest one? Yeah, this is the longest kinky, like curly wig I have tried. Usually I get like 18 inches or so, but this one is 20 inches. Look at these beautiful curls here. This looks like it's a 3C to 4A texture. I co-wash this. You can use any kind of conditioner that you have on hand. You don't have to use any specific kind of conditioner. And then I let it air dry for 2 days, and this is what the curls look like here. You guys saw the unboxing and the cap construction. This will be my first time using a headband wig with the clip combs that bend instead of the actual like usual combs that most people get. So you got the bendable kind. So I can't find my She Is Bomb edge control. I know if I look a little bit harder I can find it, but today I used the Style Factor Edge Booster. This is the citrus scent. So it works really well too, but I feel like the She Is Bomb Edge Control is better actually, which is surprising because I didn't, before Natural Joy suggested the Edge Control, I had only really liked the Edge Booster, but that She Is Bomb Edge Control is better. By now on my channel, I have a wig supply essentials video. Definitely check it out, especially if you are a newbie to wigs or if you're just somebody who wants to know some supplies that I use all the time when I apply my wigs. Definitely check out that video. It's very good. So let's see how this looks. I'm going to try it on without my wig grip first and then I'll put it on because I don't use the combs anymore. I just use my wig grip and my edges are intact and my like scalp and stuff doesn't feel irritated. This feels roomy. This is like the first headband wig that actually doesn't feel tight on my head. Even my favorite ones feel tight on my head, but this is roomy. Okay, so this is just how it looks straight up on my head. I'm gonna push this back. This has to be fluffed out some more because it looks, you know, yeah, no, it looks a little like it needs it. So I actually am gonna wear a wig grip with this because this one actually is loose. I don't see anything that indicates it has different cap sizes, but mine feels like it's large, which is good for me. So I have my pick here and I'm just gonna pick out the roots. Wow, big hair. Okay, so I fluffed it out and y'all saw she grew a lot. And now if you are petite or super short or have like a small frame, probably too much hair for you, but that's okay. You can just go with a shorter length. But I don't mind it. I feel like I can pull off super big hair. Well, actually some big hair I don't like, but I feel like this isn't bad. I like it. So it feels nice and soft. And this is what it's looking like. Okay, so I'm not gonna do a whole bunch of styling with this wig because I've done that. I do that in literally all of my headband videos. And this, I don't think I want to do all that. So I'm gonna try this tan headband that I got from Amazon. Alright guys, so I'm back. I did a bun and then like a low ponytail. So I think this is very beautiful, but it is a lot of hair with the 180% density plus the 20 inches. It is a lot of hair. So this particular combination of the density and the length is not going to work for everybody. It does make it a little bit more difficult to style because it is so voluminous, and mainly the volume, like the density, is what's gonna be a bit more difficult to style in like ponytails and stuff. I personally prefer how it looks all the way down. Yeah, but as far as the quality of the hair, I think it's pretty good. The ends are kind of not as defined, but I guess that's because of all the manipulation I was doing in the styling process. Again, I want to emphasize, if you're gonna get a kinky curly wig, they are going to be more high maintenance. If you're looking for something that's more of a get up and go kind of headband wig, go with something that is straight, because all you have to do is use a flat iron and go. Or you could get a loose wave texture. I have featured a loose wave texture on my channel recently. Super easy. But this is a look and it's very pretty. But I feel like at this length and this density, it's gonna be more high maintenance, and I would probably reach for something that's easier, but it's very pretty and it's very affordable. For all of this density and the length is $200, but if you go with a shorter length, let me show you the base price. The base price for this wig is at 10 inches is $117, and then 12 inches is $131. So if you are looking for something shorter, which I would probably recommend, especially if you are shorter than me, go with the shorter length and save some coins as well. So this is a nice fall look because it's so much hair. It's going to keep you warm and it has the density. But you know, I'm just telling you guys the different options that are out there, because I have reviewed this texture by now several times, but at different lengths and densities and price points. So you can check out that headband playlist and see which one works for you, whether it is human hair or synthetic. In the washing process, I did get some shedding, but that happens all the time regardless of price point with kinky curly wigs. It's to be expected. Yeah, so if there's any other questions that I did not answer in this video that you would like to know, just hit me up down in the comment section and talk to me. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and shout out to Asteria Hair for sponsoring today's video. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. We are on the road to 150K by the end of 2020, so help me get there. Follow me on all of my social media platforms to keep up with me. My beauty Instagram is iFancyCupcakes. My planning Instagram is Hearts in a Plan, and so is my planner YouTube channel, also Hearts in a Plan. And follow me on Like to Know It, because I have a lot of fashion content coming for you guys. I have reviewed, yesterday I recorded a clothing haul with Boohoo and Fashion Nova pieces, so that should either be up by now or should be coming soon, so keep a lookout for that. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.